master to inspire your weekly painting is Maximilian Pirner, a leading symbolist painter from Czech Republic known for his haunting and inspiring artworks. Maximilian Pirner, who lived between the years 1854 and 1924, was a remarkable master who combined technical skill with emotional depth. Through the use of intricate brushwork and romantic contrast between light and shadow, Pirner creates images that are both evocative and captivating. His paintings are visual poetry that speaks deeply to the soul. Pirner's symbolic paintings invite us to wander through their layers of meaning, exploring the themes of mortality, decay, and fragility of life. His artworks are characterized by bold colors, intricate shapes, and unique textures. In his paintings, Pirner often includes elements of fantasy and surrealism, as well as strong sense of feeling and movement. Each stroke of his brush unveils a narrative and a captivating blend of historical context combined with personal dream. In his artworks, Pirner transports the viewer through the time and emotion. His canvases transcend the boundaries of ordinary representation. In the mythological painting of the Birth of Eros, Pirner depicts the Greek god of love and sex as he's hatched in the middle of dark chaos. His growing, glittering golden wings while seeing the light for the first time, as well as Pirner's intricate brushstroke and dramatic use of light and shadow, creates visual poetry that speaks directly to the viewer's heart. In the symbolic painting of Hecate, Pirner picks a dark deity from the Greek mythology. He uses pastel colors to show Hecate's magic and witchcraft as she pulls apart from her three bodies and flies in front of the moon. In the painting of Mythological Misalliances, Pirner fuses his unique effects that include eroticism, decorative details, and the fairy tale romanticism. This painting illustrates the emotional intersection between various fantastic mythological creatures, while their expression wavers between decadence and naturalism. In the painting of Potok, Pirner creates two female figures in the water as if they are emerging from the mist. He mutes the colors to make the scene feel intimate and mysterious. He paints the waterfall cascading over the figures with delicate brushstrokes as if they are strands of light. Pirner's Sleepwalker is a captivating exploration of the chilling and mystical themes that we see in much of his work. The painting depicts a young woman in a nightgown walking along a terrifying ledge, entranced in her sleep. This evocative scene invites viewers into a dreamlike state, reflecting the artist's skill in blending realism with fantasy. Pirner was born in Prague and studied at the Academy of Fine Arts in Vienna. He later became a professor at the Academy of Fine Arts in Prague, where he taught until his passing in 1924. Throughout his career, Pirner received many awards and honors for his contributions to the art world. He was a member of several prestigious art societies, including the Vienna and the Munich secessions. Pirner's artworks have been exhibited in many prominent museums and galleries around the world. Today, Maximilian Pirner's art remains highly sought after by collectors, art students, and art connoisseurs.